this video tutorial, we will see how to print number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern, every line begins with the space characters. The space characters are gradually increasing line by line from 0 to 8, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Those space characters are appended with number characters. These number characters are gradually decreasing line by line in the range of 2 from 9 to 1, 9, 7, 5, 3 and 1. Along with every number a space character is appended. We can divide this pattern into two parts. Let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. One more variable we are going to use here, j is equal to 5. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. At the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1 and we are going to reduce j value by 1. So here j value will be 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 and I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of fifth iteration, I value is going to become 5, 5 less than 5, condition false and iteration is going to stop here. For this type of pattern, we are going to use a nested while loop. Declare and initialize a variable k with 0 while k value is less than j into 2 minus 1. Then at the end of every iteration of nested while, increase k value by 1. Here j into 2 minus 1 is going to give us 9, then 7, then 5, then 3 and 1. So let's print the spaces which begins with every line. We are going to combine two spaces here, multiply them with I. This is going to give us 0, then 2, then 4, then 6 and 8 space characters. Along with space characters, a number character is appended in the same line. To print them in the same line, we are going to use this end parameter of the while method. We are going to use end parameter of this print method. Let's print the first half of the pattern. Print j plus k. Separate them with the space character. After printing the same line, we are going to begin with the next line. For that we require a enter. For that we are going to use this print method outside this while loop. So run pytriangle.py file in the terminal. We can see we are able to print the first half of the pattern. Let's print second half. If k value is greater than half of the length of the line, this is the length of the line, divide by 2, then print second half and separate them with the space character, else print first half. So run pytriangle.py file in the terminal. We can see we are able to print the result. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number triangle pattern.